Hi guys, thank you. I'm doing well. Thank you.
How, Chrissy, how are you doing?
I'm well as well, thank you.
Thanks for having me.
You're very welcome. I just played the video about your project, and I would like you to know more and to tell the entire community what you're doing. Actually, I was in a Twitter space a few weeks back, and I got very emotional. Tiago, do you remember that? Because of
Yes.
the fact that you give it to somebody else that has no means to give back to you, but you did the goodness in the world anyway. So it's amazing. That's why I bring you to the channel. So more people in Cardano community can learn about the things you are doing, the technology you are using.
Yeah, for sure. I'll get Chris will start explaining a little bit of what the project is, and then as she does, I'll share my screen and go through maybe the website, and yeah, we'll just complement what she's telling us. How's
Sure.
that sound? Is that right? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to give us a bit of a run through of where Earth Natives came from and where we are today. So most people know that behind the scenes of Earth Natives is Institute Ecoterm Modular. It is an institution that is dedicated to teaching others to build with Earth and raising awareness for a more sustainable future. As a means to scale and start operating internationally, we started looking for a technology that we could use to help showcase the interlocking compressed Earth bricks. And this is where Cardano came in and the idea for Earth Natives was born. Now, Earth Natives is an NFT project where we use the funds from the sales of our NFTs to build a sustainable house, showcasing the interlocking compressed Earth bricks. We then donated this house to a family in need, and we filmed the entire journey so that we could then share it with the community. For those that don't know, the family that received the house was a beautiful mother, Trinidadi. She's a single mum and she's got two beautiful daughters, one who has special needs, and they were just well known in the community for living in really poor conditions, and the house that they had, you know, they said in strong, heavy rains could break the whole thing and fall apart. So that was one of the main reasons we chose her. Everything we have created and continue to do is all about bringing importance and raising the awareness to Earth and the amazing qualities it has. The story or the lore behind the NFTs is about climate change and how in the future, with the Earth heating up, humans were forced underground, where they started to morph into these three different species of animals that are animals that actually use Earth for its shelter qualities. And so that's where we got the three animals to name each of our collections. You've got the first collection, which was Armadalus, which is the idea of man with the armadillo. The second one was our female collection of Adants, which is the ant. And then last collection was the animal Mercadus from the meerkat. The most important aspect of the artwork is the mineral that you can actually see on the chests of every single NFT. We had 3,333 minerals and 3,333 NFTs. Now, in the metadata for the NFT, we actually talk about the scientific name of your mineral, the mineral's name, the scientific formula, and then what we call Mohs scale, which is the resistance a mineral has to scratching on a hardness scale of 1 to 10, 1 being soft, 10 being hard. So most commonly people will know a diamond. Now diamond is the hardest mineral in the world with a Mohs scale of 10. We actually work with some geologists to obtain all this information through peer review. And yeah, something that's a little bit more unique because obviously every single NFT in our collection has their own unique mineral. Nothing is repeated. And it just, the idea is to try and explain to people the complexities of Earth. You know, you can't just go and pick any earth or soil around you to build with. You need to understand that that soil needs a certain something to help you build, to make the house of better quality. And then that's the whole idea where the Institute's coming in and how we're trying to educate people. On top of selling the artwork, each NFT also comes with music. So the first collection They all have ceremonial ayahuasca music, so 3 different musics for each collection. And it's just a reminder for people to take that time in the day to breathe, to feel that connection with earth, the harmony and the balance. We've obviously sold out all 3 of our collections, and a couple of months ago we officially handed over the keys to the completed house that we donated to Trinidad. You can see all the videos here on our website. And we were so very happy that Charles Hoskinson even saw this video and he quote retweeted it himself. So really managed to get a bit of a reach out that we were hoping for, and the acknowledgement for our community. That was very exciting for us.
That's a really great concept. Yeah.
I think it's really cool.
Yeah, I'm almost finished. Just at the moment now, so obviously we've finished the house. Now we are focusing on finishing the illustrated lore and audio narration for the story of our NFTs. We are promoting our mission-driven stakepool TERRA, which also very exciting. We've just minted our 2nd block. In October, we have...
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It's so hard to bootstrap, but yeah, we'll just keep fighting.
In October, we have our 3rd edition of an Ecoterm. Ecoterm is where we invite students or professionals in the field or anyone really interested to come and spend 5 days camping on our farm in Brazil, where we teach them hands-on how to build with different types of earth, whether it be rammed earth or hibberdobi, all different styles, or the compressed interlocking brick, and they actually get to build themselves.
I want to learn it. When is the next group?
So it'll be, I think, the last week of October, the week of the 21st. So you get a uniform and everything. You have a really great experience. You come and you camp, and every single day you get out there, you get busy, you're learning, you're having fun. It's an incredible experience. We're also launching our IEM governance tokens, and at the moment we're trying to figure out how we can create and build a 3D earth museum on Cardano to display the different types of techniques that use earth as a building material in a virtual experience. And so that's the next big goal. And then of course, I guess the main question people ask us is, are you going to build another house? Now, obviously, Ecoterm, we have lots of brick factories that are constantly building houses, but our main goal now is to teach people how to use this material, to start up their own factory, so that we can teach them how to start up the factory, how to build the bricks, so that they in turn can then teach their local communities and help their local communities in building homes and creating jobs for those around them. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Thank you.
Wow. You sold out all the 3 collections. What I do to get one of them in the secondary market?
Or you just gotta go to JPEG store or any other smart contract marketplace and buy from the shelf, pretty much. So this house was, we pretty much gave the fish. We gave the whole house ready to go. And on this time now, we would like to give the fishing rod and then teach how to fish. So we wanna help some entrepreneur to start their own brick factory, and then we'll help them to establish the business and to build either a house or office or something. So that's what we aim for now. But at the same time, sorry, Maria, at the same time, the main focus right now of our organization is to establish the organizational side. So we are integrating the Cardano blockchain and the tools that we have already available to help with governance, and we are using these to help us scale our organization. So because we really want to start operating internationally, and we figured out that the best way to do that will be using Cardano blockchain.
Say Cardano blockchain, you say specifically about the selling of the NFTs that support what you do, or you're going to use Cardano in any other transaction, in any other deal?
Many ways, many ways. So the Earth Natives, it's one branch, it's like a one aspect of the whole organization project of using Cardano to scale. So imagine with me that what our organization do is to create certification for quality factories and quality builders that use it as a building material. So our certification now will be issued in NFT on the Cardano blockchain. And the membership of those companies that wants to work with our organization, with the institute, to be verified and to be part of a network where we share knowledge and information to grow the community. In order to, they will need to have a wallet, and then they will need to engage with us with blockchain transactions, where all this information will be open source and transparent for any people around the world to connect and see what's going on with your organization. So we're using the blockchain to bring resilience, transparency, and international operation, and give our certifications even more, let's put that way, like a weight or credibility for our certifications. So that's where we are at the moment now.
When and where going to be the next course?
Right, that's a good question. We do have like two ways to address this. One, it's on the online, and the online, usually every content that we put up online is open source and free. And then with the courses that's live in presence, like the course Ecoterm that's on the farm. Yeah.
Physical.
Yeah, on the physical side, and then you're gonna need to pay to participate of the course, to cover all the expenses and everything that we run. We do bring instructors from other states, and each instructor, professor, they bring their own technique and their own tools, and there's a cost to manage all this. Also, during the course, everything's included, from food and place to stay, everything's is included. So there is a cost for that, and but we aim to keep the cost very accessible for everybody.
Right. Don't forget to invite me, because I'm very interested in this.
You already invited, Maria.
Because there's a new way of constructing houses and doing our bit about the environment. Would you like to address anyone in the community that help you in your journey, that make your journey easy? I know we have moderators, we have ambassadors, we have YouTubers, we have a lot of people.
Well, if we were to do this, the list would be so big, and I really fear to do not mention everybody that deserves the recognition for it. We only here where we are because of the support of the community. Everybody seems to love what we're doing, and then we love to do what we're doing. So it seems like everybody's happy with that, and I would just keep grinding. And I just appreciate everybody that's putting the word out there, and it's somehow, just like you, Maria, helping us to reach a new audience. Yeah, that they might don't have the awareness of what we're doing, and then maybe these people want to engage with us and be part of it, and we open arms.
Yeah, I love what you're doing. Is why we do this interview, so more and more people can come in and give their opinions, or maybe get an NFT to participate. It's like, it's a feeling of belong when you get an NFT that are doing something good in the world.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. The NFT, the property, it kind of make us feel like we're part of it. For those who does hold the Earth Natives NFT, you have access to a special room where you have free consultants about Earth building, and then you can come and ask, and we'll engage with you in anything that you have questions for. But yeah, you don't need to hold a Earth Natives NFT to engaging with your community. We'll definitely embrace you anyway.
That's brilliant. I'll leave the link below in the description about how to get your NFTs, the link, the tutorial, how to get your NFT in the secondary market. I wish you all the best, and thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me. Bye-bye.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Bye, everybody.